Welcome back. Last one. Number 86, 4x squared minus 3. And they asked for the vertex. So start with the axis of symmetry. X equals negative b over 2a. Alright? B is 0 in this problem. So we have 0 over 2a. Anything with 0 in the numerator becomes 0. So now we just plug back into the original equation. Y equals 4 times 0 raised to the second minus 3. Y equals negative 3. The coordinates are 0, negative 3, which is choice D. 87. Find the next three terms in the geometric series. Negative 4, 12, negative 36, 108. What's happening here? We're multiplying by 3, negative 3 each time. So we do that for 3 more. 8 times 3 is negative 24. Negative 324, right? And then let's do that one more time. This is going to be 12, 7, 9, positive 972. So it has to be choice C already, because that's the only one that has that sequence. 88. Another sequence, 64, 32, 16, 8. We're dividing by 2 each time. So the next 4 will be 4, then 2, and then 1. So that means C. 89. Find the product. This is multiplication, negative 5r raised to the third times 3r squared minus 3r minus 5. I'm going to distribute this. So I get negative 15r to the third plus 15r to the fourth plus 25r raised to the third. That is choice C. 90. R minus 9 times R plus 5. This is R squared plus 5R minus 9R minus 45. This is the FOIL process. First, outer, inner, last. So this is R squared minus 4R minus 45. 90 is C. 91. Negative 6k plus 3. Negative 6k squared plus 3k minus 9. FOIL this out. Distribute. First. Inner, last. 36k to the third minus 18k squared minus 54k minus 18k squared plus 9k minus 27. Combine like terms. 36k to the third. These are the k squareds. So that's negative 36k squared. These are the k to the first. So that's minus what is that, 45? Minus 27. So 91 is choice. Okay, so this is not 45. This is, they're both negative. So this should have been 63. Okay. So that makes it choice A. 92. The term b plus 5 raised to the second is equal to b plus 5 times b plus 5. This is b squared plus 10b plus 25, which is choice C. Wait, no. Choice A. 93. 5c plus 6. 5c minus 6. This is 25c squared, the first two, and just do the last two because this is plus and a minus. The inner is going to cancel, so this is negative 36. 93 is C, choice C. 94. 3 root 3 times 15 root 2 plus 4 root 7. We're going to multiply what's out in front. This is 45 root 6. So 3 times 2, but keep it under the radical. Plus 12 root 21. That is choice D. No more simplification there. No perfect squares under the radical. 95. 6 minus root 7 times 6 plus root 7. 36 minus root 49 equals 36 minus 7, which is 29, which is A. 96. Root 10 times 3 root 2. This is going to be 3 root 20, which is equal to 3 times 4 times root 5. You could take the square root of 4, it becomes 2. So now you have 3 times 2 times root 5, which is equal to 6 root 5. 97. 18y to the third, z to the fifth. We're taking the square root. So I'm going to break this up into 9 times 2 times y squared times y times z to the fourth times z. Break it into the perfect squares. That's a perfect square. This is a perfect square. This is a perfect square. So now I have 3 times y times z squared. With the square root, what's left? 1y and 1z. Okay? 97 is... Oh, and I left the 2. The 2 is there also. 97 is A. Choice A. '98. 9 root 13 plus 8 root 13. You just add them. That's 17 root 13. That's choice D. 99. 2 square root 11 times the square root of 11 times the square root of 11 equals 2 radical 11 over 11. This is choice C. Number 100. This one is a little bit ridiculous if they want to do this without a calculator. 59. This is 101. We got to draw this picture. They want us to find x without a calculator. So we've got x squared plus 59 plus equals, because Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. They gave us the 101, they gave us the 59. They want us to find the other side. Right? Let's make this a little bit cleaner. C squared. Alright. So this ends up being x squared equals, x squared plus 3,481 equals 11,201. X squared equals 7,720. Right? 7,720, but you got to take the square root of both sides. So that comes closest to choice A, which is 81.98. That one's a little ridiculous. Easy with a calculator, but without a calculator, you got to do some arithmetic, long multiplication, and figure out which one's the closest square root. Thank you for watching.